A wire-set package with 6 pins. This one is the power cable. This one is the R4A4G SIM card slot cable. This is 4G antenna. This is USB antenna. This is Bluetooth rear wheel antenna. This one is USB antenna. This is Canbus. This is an automatic central control navigation screen for Toyota. It features a 12.3-inch display with a resolution of 2400x906, powered by a Creo UIS7870 processor, 8GB RAM, and 256GB storage. How to switch the UI with switch interface? Tap this icon and you can switch the interface directly. How to drag the car to change its position and enlarge the cab size? You can tap the 3-dot button, touching selection to change the thing into whatever you like. And also, this 2-wire can be replaced too. How to change its position? Long press the 3-dot button and you can change the position directly. You can see on the side is a button. You can touch it and jack it out to make the car try its original size. Swipe down the screen and you can enter the drawdown menu and you can see the Screensaver here. It's very beautiful. You can also adjust the screen brightness here and the value here. This is the night mode. How to change the thing on the original car to interface? Long press the menu and you can see there are so many things here. Tap one you like, back, and you have changed successfully. How to change the car model easily? Long press the car model and you can see so many car model here. Tap one you like, change success. How to customize the starter bar? Long press any icon and you can plug the app you want. Tap the menu and you can see so many app here. Look at the local app. This one is the equalizer. This is the DTS. This one is the equalizer. There are so many type of equalizer for you. This is the sound setting, Ford mode for you. This is the surround sound. This is the stereo sound enhancement, vibration, bass boost, sound filtering. This one is setting. You can connect your Wi-Fi here. GPS info, general, so many functions. Factory with the password 336A. This is the wire setting, protocol setting, display. You can adjust the brightness of day and night for you. And tilting for you, moonlight white, moonlight blue. This is the sound. You can adjust the sound mixing scale, app, storage, location, password system. Here you can change the language by absent language press and tap it again and you can change the language successfully. Look at the vehicle setting. Trade info, history, base, amplifier, TPMs, setup. This is the video player. Here you can see the video. And also tap this icon into the small window mode. This is the media. And this is the music player. Here you can listen so many music. And this is the playlist to the nap song and the private song. This is the radio, FM and AM. 2 options. After connect your phone, you can listen to the phone music. This is the online postcard and the playlist. Let's look at the map. And here there are so many destinations for you. Restaurant, hotel, shopping. And you can search for the destination here. Wherever you want. Type the YouTube and you can see so many videos here. This is the short video.